Get into the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Silverado 2500 HD rises to the challenge with heavy-duty power, rugged strength, advanced towing technology, a luxurious and well-equipped cabin, and the latest safety and connectivity features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, alarm. Relax and enjoy the confidence of knowing you have the power you need to get the job done. Get into the Silverado 2500 HD.